tri-point of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Colorado. Looking straight north. Now I'm on the border of Colorado and Kansas. Colorado's on the left, Kansas on the right. Looking south. Here's the Tri-State Point. Oklahoma Panhandle that way. Colorado's on the right. Oklahoma is on the left. That's looking due west. Southeastern corner of Colorado there. Now the southwestern corner of Kansas. And that's due east. Kansas on the left, Oklahoma on the right. Southeastern corner of Colorado. No mountains. From the tri-point.